What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in a Nissan Frontier remote key fob. Both of these key fobs are going to work on the Nissan Frontier, the only difference being this one has the remote start button. Regardless of which one of these key fobs your Frontier uses, it's going to be the exact same battery change procedure either way. These are going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a smaller flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Then I'm going to hold my key fob with the buttons facing down and take a look at the bottom of it. I'm going to take my screwdriver, and if we look right here, we can see there's a little notch right here, and there's another one just like it over here that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. So I'm going to take my screwdriver and put it in that notch, and then while keeping some pressure pushing the screwdriver in, I'm going to twist like I'm opening a lock with a key. Come over to this side and do the same thing. And then as you can see, it's opening that case. Go ahead and pull the case the rest of the way apart like that. In the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. I'm going to use my screwdriver to help get under the edge of it and get it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first, down here near this metal battery clip. So I'm exaggerating a little bit, but tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap the battery down into place. Then we can go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.